Hello and welcome to another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Today we are back in an apartment which we have sold some 2 years ago, and it's now back on the market on one of the best locations, maybe close to the Alcazar, overlooking the Jack Nicklaus signature golf course. We are now today in penthouse block 16, and I will show you a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment just overlooking the golf course here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. You are today in another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. My name is Rupert, I'm the broker of the company, and I'm happy to show you today this 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. We are actually on the main terrace of this apartment, which is overlooking the golf course. It's a bright and sunny day today. As you can see, we have about 34 degrees today, very low humidity, about 50%. So it's really high therein. So it's really quite a comfortable day today. And we are looking today on this 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment. And enough of the terrace, I think we just walk into the property and I show you the living, dining and kitchen area. Here we go. So I'm just, as you can see, making a turn around here. I'm in the living rooms at the very moment. You can see the big terrace is adjacent to it, and this property is sold as seen and is reference 3578 on our dedicated webpage qualityhomescostacalida.com. As I said, we are today at the penthouses in block 16, and just let me walk through and I will show you a little bit about the location where we are exactly. I'm just walking out of the property, and what I show you over there to the right is the Alcazar commercial center, which houses the Spa supermarket, which is open 7 days a week, houses several restaurants, bars, furniture shop, Paco Molina, Hair and Beauty Eden, lots of shops and bars and restaurants, amongst them as well qualityhomescostacalida.com. as your estate agent here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. And we're also having a glance on Naranjo's Garden 1. And as you can see, we're in full bloom still. High season is slowly disappearing, so we have maybe less people now on site, but it's still quite comfortable. As I said, 34 degrees today. It's a beautiful day, sunshine all day long, blue sky. So we really can't complain about it, even it's the end of August. But for us, summer, as you know, lasts at least until end of September, mid of October. So I'm showing you the entrance situation here. We have just seen the Alcazar shopping center, we have seen Naranjo's 1, and I'm entering the apartment again to show you the kitchen area, which is fully fitted and completed with a dishwasher, obviously oven, cooker, extractor fan, as well as a large fridge freezer, so all necessary items for decent cooking. Connected to the kitchen, we do have the dining area over here. We have also placed here really a bottle of cava for you, so in case you think of celebrating the purchase, here we go, the bottle of cava is already prepared. And connected to that, we do have the living area. And as you can see in the background, this is now the terrace which we have seen from the beginning. So this is the setup for kitchen, dining and living. And we're now coming to the master bedroom. Just going along here. The apartment is sold as seen, so all what we see is what we get with the modest asking price of only 79,900 euros. We are today in a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort in block 16, which is the closest penthouse block to the shopping center Alcazar, and as well very close to the entrance of the resort. And as we see here, as well, the master bedroom is connected to the main terrace and views to the golf course from your bedroom. Could be worse, no? So that's how it would look like when you get up in the morning, you're overlooking the golf course, which is actually still under repair, but we do see activities now since 3 weeks. They're really very heavily working here, watering, seeding, whatever these guys are doing. So we're really looking forward to that the golf course is up and running pretty soon again. After COVID, you maybe know the golf course had to be closed temporarily due to the fact that there have not been enough players around. But now the golf course owners, which is G&K, are comfortable with investing again lots of money to bring the golf course back as it was before, and we're all looking forward that in September they will open again and people can use the golf course. We are coming from the master bedroom and are now entering the second bedroom, which is fitted with 2 single beds. And as you can see as well, everything important already installed. We have 2 ceiling fans, one in each bedroom. And as you can see, the furniture is perfectly fitted here with 2 single beds, a bedside table. The price, Tiffany, is only €79,900, and you do find this property under reference 3578 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. Maybe I did not mention yet that both bedrooms are also equipped with fitted wardrobes, as you can see here, and both bedrooms as well have ceiling fans installed. It's a funny thing here in the penthouses, you maybe know it already from our prior showings, that you hardly need an air conditioning in here. As I said, it's about 34 degrees outside, and we just opened the sliding doors in the bedroom and in the master bedroom, and have here only the window open in the kitchen, and it's perfectly ventilated, so we don't really need the aircon in here. Just to say, because the property is not equipped yet, it's easy to equip. Cost-wise, we are talking about 650 to 700 euros per room. But in this case, it's a beautiful breeze going through here, so today we are not sweating, which is nice. Well, as long as we don't go on the terrace, no? Fine. Did I show you already the bathroom? No, I didn't. So here we go. This is another bathroom. You can see Rupert in the mirror. Apart from that, as I'm not included, that's not the most important. The bathroom is fitted with a bathtub, glass shower screen, and obviously hand wash basin and all the other mod cons necessary in a bathroom, together with an extractor fan. So this, I would say, has now been quite an interesting overview of this property. And just let me show you again the terrace with its views, so you get a little bit of an idea of how life can take place here. It's 5 o'clock in the afternoon, which is CET, Central European Time. It's 4 o'clock in the UK. And we are just enjoying here the sunshine. The apartment is southwest facing, so this means we have sun here as of early midday until it goes down somewhere over there in the mountains between Alhama de Murcia and Totana, which is one of the 2 towns close to Alhama de Murcia. I think it's a beautiful view. The golf course, as we said, is just under repair. You do see here already quite some signs of work, and we're looking forward that the golf course opens someday in September this year. At least this was confirmed by the owner of the golf course, which is G&K. We know that there is a strong initiative as well from owners to make sure that the golf course is in pristine condition once there is open, and I think they're doing really a great job to the community to keep us also informed about what's going on the golf course, what's the progress with the works. So I think we can't thank enough also Chris from the Clover and his team. They're really doing a great job, I think. I think also they're doing a favor to the resort as they keep us up to date and also put in all their expertise into exactly that, telling us what they think about, following their experience, so everybody can make up his own mind about this very important and crucial topic for Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. In the living room, as we can see, which is perfectly furnished, this is a leather sofa here. The property comes fully equipped with television, with everything what we see today in our little video showing. And we just passed the living room and come back into the kitchen. There we go, kitchen fully fitted. One thing missing in this kitchen, guess what? What's missing here? Okay, let's make a quiz. What's missing in the kitchen? The first one who knows gets it for free. Nobody? Okay, I see. So what's missing here is obviously the water filter. Thank you very much. Yes, this property is not equipped yet with a water filter, drinking water filter. So as you know, when you buy a property through Quality Homes Costa Calida, you do get a drinking water filter installed in your kitchen sink without any cost, because thank you, Barry. Here we go. Because the water filter, well, the water here is perfectly drinkable. It's just always with a chlorine taste. So we are putting in a drinking water filter, which helps a lot with you don't have to buy all the these silly plastic bottles in the supermarket. You don't have to carry them to your apartment, and then you don't have to dispose of it. You just go to your tap, take the drinking water you need, maybe have even some drinking water in the fridge. That's what we do. We keep it also in the fridge for in summer, so it's cool, and that's a perfect thing to do, and really an asset. Okay, we are back outside on the back of the apartment. Did I mention that each apartment gets its own car park? Yes, no, I didn't. There we go. We are today in block 16, second floor, apartment 6. So what you see down there, the 162-6, this would be exactly the car park for this property. Sorry, Barry. Anyway, you'll get it, no doubt about. Okay. Okay, yes, this was the 1626 down there. This is the car park for this property, as it matches perfectly with the property number we have over here, 1626. So this means as well that you have your private owned car park, which is quite handy because the numbers of car parks here in the penthouses are obviously limited to the quantity of apartments in each block. Okay, having said that, we are back in the living room. Just let me show you again the bedrooms. As we said, it's reference 3578 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. We are today in a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment in penthouse, second floor, with a great view overlooking the golf course, which is, as we said, still under refurbishment, but we do see already quite some green patches. So this has really improved already, and I'm sure that within the next 2 weeks we will see loads of green patches, and maybe also the brown one will disappear. Okay, this is, as we said, the master bedroom, installed with ceiling fan, fitted wardrobes, and all furnishing what we see, including the heaters in each room. You might say, well, what do I need a heating for an apartment in Spain when it has actually 34 degrees? That's exactly correct. I wouldn't use it in August. I wouldn't even use it in July, June, May, or September, October. But might be that end of November until end of April, somewhere there, you will be happy to have these heaters here because they also keep the humidity low. So it's not really getting cold here, but it's more the humidity that kills us. So you will be happy that they are here, no doubt about. Showing you the second bedroom. Here we go again. That's the second bedroom, as well fitted with a beautiful, very fast spinning ceiling fan. As well as all modcons we can see here. As we said, also the fitted wardrobe in this beautiful bedroom is also installed. And again, yeah, the ceiling fan we've seen already. There we go. So, bathroom. 1 bathroom. I don't know why they always put mirrors in the bathrooms. This is the bathroom with a bathtub, with a glass shower screen, with a beautiful round mirror. I love them. My best friend. Hand wash basin and all other installations necessary for a working bathroom. We have seen the kitchen. Just let me show quickly the kitchen again, with dishwasher, with oven, cooker, extractor, fan, with a large fridge, freezer, and all other modcons necessary for a kitchen. Well, living room. Back to the living room. Leather couch, TV. Again, all lights fitted. And the apartment is ready to move in. It's just waiting for you, I would say. There we go. So, and we are coming back to the terrace, where we do see again the Jack Nicklaus signature golf course. There is lots of information about the golf course out also on Facebook and all that, so just scroll through and you will find much more information about all the progress and all that. Well, I think this was the show for today. We have seen today a beautiful 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment, reference 3578 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. The asking price is only €79,900, and I think it's one of the best locations again here on the penthouses. We are in the block closest to the town centre Kasar, so I think that's one of the many assets of this apartment. I'm looking forward to see you again next week at 5 o'clock CET, 4 o'clock in the UK and in the Canaries, where we will showcase another beautiful property presented by qualityhomescostacalida.com. In the meantime, I wish you a beautiful weekend, and I'm really looking forward to see you next week again at 5 o'clock. Take care, stay safe, God bless, cheers.